Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. Guys, you're welcome to today's tutorial, guys. So we're going to be looking into the burning drop opportunity or the burning drop feature on the Kucoin platform. This gives you an opportunity to earn good returns, guys. So live here on Happy Blocks or Status, we are live on Crypto Twitter. So you can see there are top 12 burning drop projects that have been listed so far on Kucoin. Now you can see FTG, which is currently the leading one, is as did about 19,900%, guys. Now imagine you being an investor into this project and you got returns of up to about 19,900%. I think that is generational wealth, or that is a massive, guy. That is mind blowing. So depending on your investment, you could be able to make life changing sums from this by participating in this KuCoin opportunity. Now you can also see PBX and lots of them. You projects doing about 13,900x, and you can also see the ones doing about 4,500 percent returns. So this is really cool, guys. This is really cool. Now to get started, or for users who are not aware what this burning drop is, the burning drop is an opportunity or is a fair token distribution platform where users can get the opportunity to get access to new crypto gems before they are being listed on the platform. So you get a share of these crypto gems. Then eventually, when they are on the platform, you can either get sell these assets or trade these assets on the spot accounts to get your investment. So basically, you just lock up your asset for about 20 days on the platform, and you're good to go. So now to get started on the KuCoin burning drop, so you must have an account on KuCoin to be able to push through with it. So I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process. Now, first of all, you click on the link below our video. Our link is going to be there. It's going to give you for new users, you need to register, while for existing users, you can log into your account. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our videos, and click on the subscribe button. It's going to take you, the link is going to take you directly to KuCoin, where you need to log in or register an account. So new users, you get access to up to 500 USDT bonuses. So you want to register an account, complete your KYC verifications, and your account is set. Now you can fund your account because you eventually need some funds in your account to be eligible for this burning drop event. Now, basically, you can fund your account using the fast trade options, peer-to-peer marketplace, third-party wallets, Mastercard deposit, or debit card or credit card, whichever one is comfortable for you. You can also send in transfer funds directly or deposit directly into your KuCoin account. Now, to access the burning drop menu, it's part of the KuCoin Earn, where you can invest to earn stable profits on a regular basis. So this is a way for you to earn passive income. Instead of keeping your assets and leaving them to idle, you want to use this feature. Now, on the KuCoin Earn, once you click on it, you get access to click on the burning drop menu, which says stake popular coins to earn other tokens. Now, it's going to take you directly to the burning drop menu, where you can now see a list of ongoing burning drop projects. So here we are. This is the menu for the. This is the page for the burning drop. So as of recording, the latest one that just ended is the fresh cuts one. Fresh cuts token, FCD token. So USDT, you can see the staking amount about 5 million USDT tokens. Period was from 5th, that's May 10th to about May 11th. So it went for about, I think it's about a day. It was open for about a day for users to subscribe to this burning drop event. So you want to always be at alert. You want to turn on your notifications so you will not miss out on any of these opportunities. Now, also, you can also research to see the list of projects that have done so far in the last 6 months and the last 1 year to get an overview of how well this project did. Now, this will give you a good overview on what to expect and how to estimate the probability of getting good returns. You can also check to see the rules, history, and your participation. You can check to see this. Now, you want to know that there's a minimum staking amount that is required for you to stake your assets. Now, all you need to do, you can be able to stake either your USDT, or you can stake your KCS tokens, which is a KuCoin's native token. You can also stake ETH, whichever one you want to stake or it's convenient for you, and you stake this asset for about 20 days. You need to put in your trading password and you click on stake or subscribe. then it will be automatically subscribed once you are eligible for this. So this is one easy way to be able to participate in this. You need to note that the lockup limit per user is about 20 USDT to about 2000 USDT. Minimum subscription amount for the burning drop event is 5 million USDT. But as of recording, FCD is currently ended, so will not be able to participate. So you want to know that you need to have about this minimum rate. You can have about 2000 USDT just to participate in this. Now this will give you an opportunity to get good returns and good make good money on the Kucoin platform. Now, for users who do not know what Kucoin is essentially, or who are coming out or coming across Kucoin for the very first time, you want to know that Kucoin is among the top 5 crypto exchanges in the crypto space. Now, there are about 309 exchanges listed here on CMC, while KuCoin is currently among the top 5 guys. So that should give you an overview that KuCoin Exchange is an exchange that you really need to have an account in. You need to have an account here so you can easily benefit from any of the ongoing promotional activities that are currently ongoing. Now, one thing I do prefer about these exchanges is the fact that each of these exchanges are unique in particular. So you want to maximize the potentials available or the benefits available in these exchanges. Now, there are some exchanges you want to use, and you fall in love with these exchanges and eventually stick to them forever. Now, KuCoin is one of those exchanges. Their interface is very cool, and they are the top number one top altcoin exchange in the world in the crypto space in general. The mobile interface, mobile app is very cool. It has lots of features. Now, these are some perks you want to know about, and there are a wide variety of possibilities you can do with KuCoin. Now, it's also called the People's Exchange because it's widely loved by both beginners and professional traders. So those are some cool features you want to know about KuCoin in particular. Now, for you can also in our account here, you can see we have some funds in our accounts. So now here you can go over to the KuCoin news menu. All you need to do is to click on the top icon and you get latest news and announcements. Now on the news icon, you can click on search up articles relating to several topics. Now if you want to read up articles related to metaverse or earning potentials, passive income, now you want to click on burning drop. We just type burning drop and you can see a list of activities or burning drop notifications. So here you can get access to lots of burning drop updates. You can see the promotions and or everything you need to know about these individual projects. So if you want to research about a burning drop project and you feel that this project is going to do well, it's going to eventually do well or exceed its current issuing price, you want to check it out and do your research and read up the article. And if you find it helpful to you, you want to invest in the project and lock up your assets for that particular project. You check the minimum required amount and you are good to go. Now I'm going to show you for this one, the latest one they did, fresh cut diamond FCD, the article that was done about it. So it says take asset to mine FCD bond pool to boost rewards. Now it says FCD will be available on the burning drop from 12 May 10. Users can mine FCD by staking USDT, KCS, or ETH assets. During the burning and installation period, users who have already staked can enjoy more FCD rewards by burning pool. Then all times for these announcements refer to UTC time zone. So that's what you want to know. You can see the way it is being laid out, the staking products, fixed income pool, premium pool, deluxe pool. So the more you put, the more you stake, the more you get to earn. So you can see FCT distribution coefficient of 1, 1.2, 1.5. Now the deluxe pool seems to be one of the highest where you can put 120 KCS. Now the value of KCS is currently about $17. I think it's still moving up. So that should be about it should also be about the equivalent about $2,000 as of recording. But it is currently pushing forward. It's done ETH of about $28. So you want to look out for that. Now the issuing price for FCD is currently at 0.12 USDT. So you can check out the issued price for these projects And most times, we're currently in the bear market, so some of these projects might be a little bit down, but most times these assets are currently, they exceed more than these prices. They do lots of 10x. You can see the ones that have done up to 19,900 percent returns or since the launch. So those are some benefits you want to get. Now these are the total amount FCD rewards distribution. 20% of the FCD rewards will be distributed before the FCD trading starts. Now this gives you an opportunity to benefit as an early investor. Now, one cool way to make money in the world in general is to be early into several projects, to be early. So the early investors are always one of the key people that usually take advantage of this. So imagine you bought Bitcoin while Bitcoin was about let's say $1, and you bought invested like let's say $1 million into BTC as of then. Now you should be the world richest man, or you should be way more richer than that, if not mistakenly. But that would have only be possible if you were able to do your research and you have some appetite for risk taking, as well as you could also be able to foresee these outcomes that we're currently seeing now. Then, even as of recording, there are still users who are currently still skeptical about the crypto space in general. Now, I'm going to go over to the Kucoin trade menu, where we're going to look into FCD and how well it's currently doing. Now, you can see how the price of FCD skyrocketed, and also how it went since after it was the trading option was available on Kucoin. So you can easily check out to see the price movement and more. Now, one thing you want to know is that not all projects were actually make that enough returns on investment. So you want to keep an eye on these facts. But one thing you want to know is also that there are projects that have done up to 19,900 percent. So you want to do a quick overview of the list of projects that have currently run, maybe from 6 months back or so, to see how well they want to do. You also want to make your own research to make sure the projects you're investing on, you still believe or you know the use cases of this project. This will help you be a better investor in the long run. So this video is not a financial advice. This is just an educative video to tell you about the possibilities of being able to take advantage of burning drop benefits. Now let's look into the mobile app users for mobile users. So yeah, once you're logged into your app on your Kucoin mobile app, on the home page you should be able to see the Kucoin Earn feature. All you need to do is to click on it. I'm going to show you guys directly. This is the Kucoin Earn. You click on it, that's where you'll be able to access the burning drop menu. So when you click on the Kucoin Earn, so you make sure you've done your necessary requirements, you're going to get access to the burning drop feature, which is currently here. So I'm going to highlight it for you to see. This is the burning drop option. Click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to the burning drop menu, where you can get access to lots of projects. Now you can decide or check about the ongoing project, but you can see on my screen most of these projects, all of them are currently ended. So you want to look into, you can also check if you have any subscriptions ongoing. There you can check. As of recording, we do not have any subscriptions ongoing, but you can see these back on to have it's called lots of them that are currently running. So it says the USDT for FCD are ahead of 0% users. So this is for scenarios if these users, if you eventually get to participate in these particular projects. Now take note, ETH will be used, KCS can be used, and USDT can also be used. So this is how easy it is for you to participate and start benefiting with the burning drop listing opportunities or investment opportunities. So it's a really cool way for users. If you want to hold up your assets, you might want to just consider this and check out the Kucoin token, native token. It's currently mooning, guys. So you can see the price. So you want to buy some and hold for a good number of period of time, so you can get access to this. Then lastly, I'm going to open one of these assets also that is available here in the burning drop. You can see some of the list assets that have been done so far. You can check out these assets. So FCD, we have FCD here. They also have Falcon Swap. So you want to check out how well they do on the current prices. You usually check out these projects, guys. You usually check out these projects. Now these are also the rules involved.